Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are quite well. Today, let's start the chapter number 3 from the Beehive book, which is named The Little Girl. It has been written by Catherine Mansfield. So let's know who was the Catherine Mansfield. She was a writer and born in New Zealand and sent to London for the musical study. As she was much interested in the musical study, she began to write stories at the age of 18, and she introduced a new form of psychological realism in the modern story. In this story, which is named The Little Girl, she is narrating the relationship of the father and daughter. Kezia is a sensitive girl where her father is seeming too harsh and aggressive. The attitude of his father toward his daughter is too full of terror, and the daughter is just feeling much scared from his father, and the father doesn't openly demonstrate his love for Kezia. Kezia is the daughter of father, so even he beats her to teach the lessons, and she's totally afraid of him. But the moment she comes closer to him one night, she realizes that her father loves her too much, and he is having a great hurt even though he does not openly show his love for her. So let's start with the characters. In this story there are four characters. Kezia, she's a girl, her father, her mother, and her grandmother. Her grandmother is so supportive for Kezia. Kezia dread of her fear. Firstly, you will get to know the fear that is from her father. So in this chapter you will get to know that Kezia remained afraid of her father. Actually, I'm just giving you the story that is just in a brief way. This is a brief summary, so you will get some ideas. uh, Before going to work, he would give her a casual kiss. During his absence, she was feeling just a strange sense of relief because of she was having a fear of her father, and when he is not there at home, then he is too relaxed because of she used to be afraid from his father. So in the evening when her father came, he would call for tea. When she took off his shoes on her mother's asking, she would be asked if she had been a good girl that day or not. So she was much afraid from her father. A Sunday afternoon, there is a Sunday afternoon. One Sunday afternoon, grandmother told Kezia to have a nice talk with her parents, but she was much she was feeling fear, and she was a little bit nervous, and she was unable to talk with her parents. So her parents both were just sleeping, and she was staring at them. And when they woke up, then his father only asked her not to stare, like he is saying that why you are looking like an owl. Then she again got scared. Okay, so in the second way, her Kezia's grandmother, she is much supportive for her. She wanted to make a cushion of yellow silk as a gift for her father's birthday next week. Okay, Kezia made a pin cushion. In her innocence, she tore some sheets of paper from the file of her father. Okay, whenever she is tearing the pages, his father never get to know, but after that eventually he comes to know that all of the papers got lost, and it is just because of his daughter. Okay, then he started to scold her, and she got too much terrified, and it is really a terrible situation for Kezia. So again, whenever she is just thinking that how kind of my father is, why he is so rude, others fathers are so loving and caring for their children, why my father is like that. So she is also got punished by her father. Kezia, whenever doing any kind of the mistakes, then his father used to give her a punishment. Okay, Kezia had to told him that she had torn those papers, and she had to admit his mistake. Whatever the mistake had been done, committed by her, then she has to accept it that yes, I did this. So in In the same situation, she's much terrible, and she was just thinking that I am not lucky enough because of I'm not getting the love from my parents. But her grandmother is just giving her condolence that you should not feel like that. Your father is loving you too much. So what is the reaction from the nature of her father? She started to cry and sobbed, and after some times, many hours got spent, and her mother wrapped her in a shawl because of it was the time of the winter. Okay, so her mother wrapped her in a shawl. As she was being rocked in a rocking chair, she asked with a sob. She is asking from her grandmother that why my father is like that, why did God make fathers for, like she is saying the father of the neighbor children who is playing with his words, and she thought that there were the different kinds of the father in the world. So again, she also got scared in the ड्रीम्स, दैट इज़ द नाइटमेयर. नाइटमेयर क्या होता है? डरावने सपने. उसको डरावने सपने आने लग जाते हैं. कैजियस नाइटमेयर. वन डे शी वाज जस्ट स्लीपिंग and she was alone with Alice. Okay, there is the fifth character is also there, who is the Alice, and Alice is the cook. Okay, and she was alone with the cook. Her father was sleeping in his room. Cassia's grandmother was with her mother because her mother was critically ill and she was in hospital, and her mother had to be with her. So in her sleep, Cassia had a bad dream. She saw a butcher with a knife. Who is the butcher? जो जानवरों को काटते हैं. The people who just slaughter the animals to sell the meat. Coming near her, she got screamed and woke up. And after hearing her scream, her father just got wake up, and he comes to her and took her to his room and lay down with her on his bed. And what happened on that time? Kezia, what the Kezia feel, and there is a realization. Kezia clung to close to her father, and she is asking that is there any person, and she was totally scared, and she was just feeling that anybody will come to her and kill her. Then she asked from her father that dreams come true or not. His father said that dreams are just dreams, and her father asked Kezia to rub her feet against his legs to get them walk because of her body got just cold, and Kezia found his leg hard. She's just feeling that his father's legs are too hard, and then she realized that it is just because his father have to work for the all day. And at the same time, she is just feeling that his father, after working too hard, his father got tired. And there is another person who is Mr. McDonald. Okay, Mr. McDonald is her neighbor. Mr. McDonald. अब ये जो है मैकडोनल्ड है, वो बर्गर वाला मैकडोनल्ड नहीं है. So Mr. McDonald used to play with his children, and she is feeling that Mr. McDonald is not having such work, whatever the work is being done by his father. She stayed and told her father that her head was on his heart. Then she is innocently saying that what a big heart you have got, father dear. और वो अपने पिता को कहती है कि आपका दिल बहुत बड़ा है. So this is the end of the story, and I hope so you have got this. You will have to read the full chapter and find out the meanings that you are unable to get to know. So I think this is enough for you, and I'll just give you some another ideas in the very next video session. Thank you and have a nice day.